Hi guys, just popping out to my shed because I want to check the solar panel I have in the window. It's been there since 2014 and I use it to keep the spare car battery topped up that I use for the hot wire cutting. So this is a live check. Hat camera on, got my meter. It just occurred to me I haven't looked at this for years, so I've no idea what condition it's in. Yeah, there's the panel. It's not even fully in the sunlight there, and this window, that's north up that way. Well, no, I think north is that way. That's probably northwest. East-west. Yeah, the sun comes up that way. So in the morning it does get a little bit, but then the sun swiftly goes around that way. Well, this time of year, April, there's pigeons. Oh, never mind. Yeah, this time of year the sun starts over there and just goes over the rooftop, so it doesn't get much sunlight at all. Full summer, it does get it. So, shed, remarkably tidy. The wires from the panel, which I ought to move and put back into the window properly, so it does have a fighting chance, end up over there where there's a battery. Can I get to it? I don't know. Those chairs are just going to fall over. Sorry about this, but it sort of adds to the realism, doesn't it? Model aeroplanes. Can I get the meter over there at all? Probably best if I just clip one. How can we do this? Let's clip one on there. Okay, that's one. Okay, so this is absolutely live. Stick that on there. Nothing. Oh, that's classic. And why have we got absolutely nothing? Oh, probably because it's flat. Stab that in there, stab that in there. I've got absolutely nothing coming in at the moment. Let's see if we've got anything coming in on the solar panel. Nope, nothing on the solar panel either. So is my meter working? Check continuity. No. Aha, right. No continuity. Right, now we've got continuity. Again. Switch it to volts. That's more like it. Panic over. Right, 13.28 volts. Just disconnect the a solar panel, so we're not measuring incoming voltage. Come on, touch. Oh, it's not touching. Should have done this the other way round. .27 volts. Okay, so we're not measuring incoming voltage, we're measuring voltage on the battery. I just hope that the camera's pointing in the right direction. I could have cleared the space, couldn't I? No idea if we can see that on this camera. But that's measuring across the battery, which just sits there. I don't use it. It's purely there. But if I do ever do any of my hot wire cutting, there's one of my hot wire saws or bows, isn't it? Where's the other one? It's at the other end there. You can just see part of it. Don't think I can even get across to there with all this junk in the way. Yeah, that's my other hot wire bow. Haven't done any hot wire cutting, well, years. That's what the foam is up here for. And that's how that one was made. And that one. I would like to do some more. It's just a matter of getting around to it. Well, there you go, you've had a little tour of my shed as well. Big spider in the shed. Oh, I'm pleased with that. So the battery is still topped up, so 13.2 something volts. And that's just kept topped up by that panel that's hanging loose in the window there, which I will now try and reposition so it's not hanging out. Bottom sucker doesn't want to stick. That sounds totally wrong, doesn't it? Oh well, that'll have to do. For now. Yeah. Right, so there you are, you've had a look in the shed as well. I just realised the dead cat microphone cover might have been in front of the lens. So I might have messed up all that filming. We'll see when we download it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.